Hi, today I have Dihybrid cross problem for you, and here's a problem. In rabbits, short hair is dominant over the long hair, and brown hair is dominant over the black hair. A short black-haired rabbit was crossed with long brown-haired rabbit. In 4 litters, 38 rabbits were produced, all with brown short hair. Determine the genotypes of the parents and 38 offspring. And if you feel that you know how to solve this problem, you may stop video here, try to solve this problem on your own, and later when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. And I would start solving this problem with determining the genotypes of the parents, and I would use phenotypes, and we know that parent 1 is a short and black-haired. So we know that short hair is dominant trait, so we can put capital A for one allele, and we put a blank space for the second allele because we don't know whether this trait is homozygous dominant or heterozygous. So this can be capital A for the second allele or small a for the second allele. Phenotypically, this parent would have short hairs. So we just leave blank space, and we know that this parent is black-haired. So black is recessive trait, so we can put small b here, because this parent must be heterozygous recessive for this trait, because if he would have capital B here, the color would be brown. So we know that genotypically this parent is homozygous recessive for this trait, for the color. And we have to cross this parent with another one that is long brown-haired rabbit, and we can put genotype as small a, and brown-haired means that second allele, second pair of alleles can be capital B or capital B small b. So we can put blank space for the second allele for the color. And let me here show you the phenotype. So this is going to be short, and this is going to be black, and this is going to be long, and this trait would be brown. So when we cross these two parents, F1 generation, or all F1 generation, all for 38 rabbits in 4 liters, would be brown with short hair. So short hair would be capital A, and once again blank space for the second allele we don't know, and color would be brown. So once again this can be capital B or capital B small b. So we put capital B and blank space for the second allele that we don't know, and so this is going to be short and brown. All 100% of the progeny going to be of this phenotype. So let's now think about how we're going to find these genotypes of the progeny. First we have to find genotypes of the parents. For example, here we have one allelic pair, another one, two traits, this one trait, this is another one, and one allelic pair, and this is second allelic pair for the second parent, and two traits. And in order to solve this problem, we can consider two allelic pairs separately for one trait. So this is one trait here, and this is another one here. So here there's two possibilities that this allele is capital A, or it can be small a also. So let's think about two possibilities, and let's start from the possibility that this is small a here. So let's build a Punnett square. So parent 1 would be on the top, so capital A and small a here, and parent 2 would be on the side, small a here. And if we make such a cross, as you see, we would have capital A small a here, capital A small a here, small a here, and small a here. And as you see, 50% of such cross would be long haired, so long, and 50% would have short hairs. And we told that all the progeny have short hair, and if we have one parent that is heterozygous here, we would have 50% that of the progeny that would have long hair. So we have to eliminate this possibility, and we have to say that this is going to be homozygous dominant, this parent, for the second allele. So let's compare capital A and capital A. We cross with small a, and as you see, all the progeny have to be heterozygous, and as long as one allele would be dominant over another one, we would have all the progeny 100% that is going to be heterozygous, and 100% that would be short-haired. So we can put small a here. So this is going to be genotype for the trait A of the F1 generation. And now we have to consider this allele here. Once again, it can be capital B or small b, and let's think that this is small b, and once again we do a cross, so capital B and small b here, and second parent is homozygous recessive for this trait, so we put on the side here. And if parent would be heterozygous for this trait, once again 50% of such cross, as you see here, would be black haired, so black, and 50% would be brown haired. And we told that all 38 rabbits in the 4 liters is brown, but if this parent here would be heterozygous, 50% of the offspring we expect to be black. So we also have to eliminate this possibility, and let's consider that this parent would be homozygous dominant, so capital B on top, and small b here on the side for the second parent. And just like in previous example, we would have all the progeny that is going to be heterozygous for this trait, and with simple Mendelian genetics, with simple dominance, we would have all 100% here, just like in this example. When we have heterozygous, all the progeny going to be brown, so 100%, and that means that this parent here would be genotype capital B, and progeny would be capital B and small b. So heterozygous for this trait, but still this capital B would be brown, and this capital B small b also would be brown, and the same thing here, capital A would be short here, and capital A small a also would be short here. So this explains why all the progeny of this phenotype here and this genotype here. So we solved this problem. Here is the genotype of the parents, and here is the genotype of the progeny. So this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for more new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Goodbye.